All right, dear friends. Wow, it's just going to get crazier and crazier. First, we're going to go back to what third phase of moon had last night. Let me get it here for you. Do you remember this thing that was crashed in the tree? Is this terrestrial? Is this a UFO slash UAP? Is this an ARV, an alien reproduction vehicle? It looks gnarly, doesn't it? Now, what I'm about to show you is either the daytime version of this, which looks a little bit different but more round, or another one apparently shot down by a civilian. But let's explore this one for a quick moment again, just as a refresher. Again, this is great reporting by Third Phase of Moon. They were the first to break this last night. My dear friends, I've been working with them for 13 years and on and going. A lot of my videos are on their channel. I cover a lot of their work here. We've done a lot of work behind the scenes. They are the OG UFO YouTube channel. And thanks to you guys, you send them a lot of the footage, and that's how they're able to get it to you right off the bat. But now, let's get to what just broke right now. Ready? Here we go. This is what I'm about to show you. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, let's get this sucker big, and there you go. Watch this. Now, I don't know if it's the same thing as last night. It'd be nice if we could put them side by side, but that won't be that hard to do. Just take a screenshot of the video, especially on your phone. Take a screenshot of the other one and look at them both. Maybe I'll try to do something like that for the thumbnail, but when I try to mess with thumbnails, they look a little bit weird. That was just another clip of another one filmed last night. You're going to see some comments here in about a couple of minutes about some people talking about this being shot down by a civilian. But what do you guys think? Is this one of ours or is this one of theirs? Meaning the non-terrestrial, the NHI, non-human intelligence. I personally think this looks a little bit more like ours. The picture right here, I don't know. That looks like maybe their technology. But see, the thing is their stuff is pretty seamless. You know, it's usually made of one thing, like a 3D printer, or as Jerry from NASA said, they have to be made in zero gravity in space. And they're either put together at the atomic level or 3D printed, is what the person in the so called program said. If you listen to my confession that I posted back in March of 2024, which basically describes a guy that's really in the know because he was in the damn program. This is one of the comment I wanted you to see here. Again, this is just mind blowing. Look, they say the orb got shot down, but they see a drone plummeter. Now, you've also heard that these things are also disguising themselves. So they'll appear as an orb, but then they'll switch to a drone with flashing lights. You also heard that they are messing with electronics. I showed you the article that the times change when they appear. GPS is also affected. The strange radios. No one said in the comments that they want me to play that video of these sounds. They are so bizarre, especially the ones that could possibly be interpreted as like weird voices. But what do you guys think this is? Has anyone who's ever been abducted seen anything like that? I mean, obviously, you would have to probably look at that during the day, but it doesn't look like a typical metallic flying saucer. You know, this is probably an ARV, but it can't be a quadcopter because you see, well, I mean, the underneath could be exposed. So listen, folks, this is up for grabs. I'm putting this out here for you to help me decide what this is. Remember, this is a team effort. We're putting this together for all of us to get the hell to the bottom of this because the government is not giving us any good answers, as you know. It's just bonkers, bizarre, and it shouldn't have to be that way. Well, listen, this is the breaking story of the moment. So I just wanted to put this out immediately because this just broke. With that being said, friends, well, keep your eyes in the sky, capture stuff amazing, and remember, keep an open mind and share this with people. Hey, I want to give a shout out to Alexander G for another super chat. Thanks to him last night. Anybody else wants to give me a super chat. I would greatly appreciate it. Support me for doing this work for you and trying to get this content to you out as fast as possible. And please check out the interviews. I will be getting one back to the video section probably later tonight. But more importantly, you guys need to go to the live section and check them out. And with that being said, remember, keep your eyes in the sky, and I will catch you on the flip side.